Hi, welcome to Naswar channel. In this tutorial, we will show you how to handle our combo box is with no item or any item in there. First, open our Visual Studio and then let's create new project and choose Windows Phone application, and I will put my project into desktop. For project name, I give the name Combobox handle item, and let's create. First, in here we need to one combo box and one button. And for combo box, I change my font into 14, and for button, this is for action. To handle if there is no item or there is any item in combo box 1, we just using simple action in button 1 using conditional statement if combo box 1 dot items dot count equal to 0, for example, then it's mean no item in combo box 1. For else, if any item in here, if no item. If no item, we need to change the background of form to me dot back color equal to color dot red. If no item, we change our background form to red, and if there is item, we change to blue, for example like this. And let's start. This is no item, so if true, the form will change to blue, like the or red, I mean. You can see there. If we add items in here, for example, or we can using button add item in here. Let's add item combo box 1 dot items dot add equal to textbox textbox 1 dot text, like this. Let's add textbox in here. Let's start our project. If no item, the background will red like this. And now we need to add some item in here. Hello. We click add items, and if we click action, you can see there is become blue. That's all tutorial how to handle items in combo box using Visual Basic. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.